KCK police detective is suing a sheriff's deputy, accusing the deputy of deliberately running him over.
The incident was recorded on a dash camera in another cruiser, and we want to warn you, some of the video is graphic. Lionel Womack survived, but has been in jail for 4 months since the incident. KCTV5's Carolina Cruz has been reaching out to those involved in this case. So, Carolina, what have you learned?
Yeah, in that lawsuit, Lionel Womack's attorney says that he wants a judge to find the deputy involved in that case to be found in violation of the constitutional rights of Lionel. He also wants payment for any pain, suffering, the medical bills and damages in this case. A few days after leaving his role as a KCK police detective in August, Lionel Womack was headed to California. His wife, Z, a KCK police officer, was checking in the whole way. She grew worried when she didn't hear from him for hours.
About 4:30, 4:45 that morning, he called me. He was in the hospital, and he said they tried to kill me.
Z saw what happened for the first time yesterday when she received this newly released dashcam video.
Rewatched it 4 times because I couldn't believe what I was seeing, and I was trying to find out if I could, get on the other side and see if there was some justification.
In a lawsuit filed today, Lionel's attorney says as a black man with prior experience of racism within law enforcement agencies, Lionel was frightened by the heavy police response and took off running without a weapon into a nearby open farm field.
He's a police officer, so in hindsight, I think he knows that he should have called the highway patrol, stayed put, but not have run.
EMS took Lionel to the hospital where he was treated for injuries to his pelvis, back, thigh, right knee, ankle, and foot. Attorney Michael Kuckelman says it's unclear why his client was pulled over in the first place and questions why he was arrested after leaving the hospital.
I'm concerned about that because it looks like an afterthought that, hey, if we ran over the guy, we probably better charge him with something.
Lionel was charged with fleeing and evading and remains in custody tonight on a non-extraditable warrant.
I think it's been hardest on the children, especially the younger kids. They don't understand, where their dad is. Sorry.
His attorney says the Kiowa County Sheriff's Office has not been cooperative. The dashcam video released was from the perspective of a Pratt County Sheriff deputy.
The sheriff says, I can't give you some documents because there's an investigation underway. I mean, it's been 4 months and nothing has happened.
There have been a few times where he seems down, and I've kind of worried about him. But for the most part, he is confident that he will get justice and that everything will come to light and that it'll all be okay.
Z says that her family will continue to back the Blue as a law enforcement family, but she cannot stand behind what happened to her husband. We know that the family attorney has also sent multiple letters to the Kiowa County Sheriff asking him to terminate that deputy seen driving over Lionel Womack. Reporting live, I'm Carolina Cruz, KCTV5 News.